Hey there, awesome audience. I'm Hans, your guide to all things mortgage related. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of FHA loans, a bit like the superhero of home financing. Get ready for a whirlwind tour of FHA loan benefits, all wrapped up in just 2.5 minutes of pure fun. Let's start our adventure with the game changer, the down payment. You know that pile of cash you usually need to fork over when buying a house? Well, guess what? With FHA loans, you get a break. A mere 3.5% of the home's price is your ticket to ride this homeownership roller coaster. It's like a VIP pass to your dream home without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. Imagine your credit score is like a report card for grown-ups. Now, FHA loans are like the cool teacher who gives you a second chance. Even if your credit isn't a straight A masterpiece, you can still join the Homeowners Club. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned house hunter, FHA loans roll out the welcome mat for everyone. Now let's step into the realm of makeover magic. Got your eye on a fixer-upper? FHA loans are your personal renovation wizards. Not only can you buy the house, but you can also grab extra cash to jazz it up. Think of it as turning a dull room into a showstopper, all while bundling the costs into your mortgage. It's like painting a masterpiece without worrying about the brushes. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're talking about lower closing costs, the cherry on top of your homeownership sundae. When it's time to seal the deal, FHA loans swoop in with their superhero cape, slashing those closing costs like a true champion. It's like getting a discount on the biggest shopping spree of your life. So there you have it, the thrilling saga of FHA loans in just 2.5 minutes. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cottage or a sleek penthouse, FHA loans are your trusty companions on this exciting journey. If you're ready to dive into homeownership with a bang, don't hesitate to reach out to me, your mortgage professional. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and get ready to rock your real estate dreams. Until our next adventure, keep smiling and house hunting. Thanks for joining in on the excitement, fantastic folks. If this video tickled your curiosity, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing the joy with your pals. Stay tuned for more thrilling episodes as we uncover the secrets of the housing universe. Catch you later, alligators.